Kia ora koutou, ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa, kei te tūmanako au he pai rawe koutou ki tō kāinga. So hello everybody, I hope that everyone is doing really well in their home. That's basically what I said, and that gives you a little clue as to what I'm going to be talking about today. So I'm just going to do a very quick introduction to some of the things you can say in your home in Te Reo Māori. It's really easy to start bringing some Te Reo Māori into your everyday conversation when you know the right words to say. A lot of us already know things like kia ora, tēnā koe, even kei te pihi a koe, which means how are you. So I am not going to do those today. Today I'm going to do a lesson on how to say give me something. Okay, so this is something you can use a lot during the day. For example, I might say to you, Homai te pene. That means give me the pen. Homai means give me. Te means the. Pene means pen. So really, the main thing that you need to know is homai. Can you say it after me? Homai. Good. It's easy if you read the words at the bottom of the screen as well. So once you can remember that word, homai, you can pair it up with just about anything in your home. All you need to do is look up the word in Māori. You can use the Māori dictionary, and I will put that at the bottom of the screen for you. And you can find out what the word is that you want to say, and you can pair it with homai. Okay, so I might say to someone here, homai te wai. Give me the water. I might say, homai te puka puka. Give me the book. There are lots and lots and lots of things you can do with this one phrase. So I'm going to show you some examples, and for that I'll be needing the help of Mr. Bennett. Kia ora, Mr. Bennett.
Kia ora.
Homai te piriti. Kia ora. Tēnā koe, Mr. Bennett.
Tēnā koe.
Homai te puka puka.
Puka puka.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Great, so now you've seen some examples of how to say give me the. Like I said, you can look up the names of the objects that you need to ask for using either a Māori dictionary you might have in your house, or you can use the website. Okay, once you've mastered that, you might like to change it up a little bit. Instead of saying give me the, you could start saying give me my. For example, if I wanted someone to know that the water was in fact my water, instead of saying homai te wai, I can say homai taku wai. Okay? Homai taku means give me my. Can you say that after me? Homai taku. Good. So instead of saying homai te wai, homai taku wai. Instead of saying homai te puka puka, homai taku puka puka. And I'm going to show you some examples with that using, again, Mr. Bennett as my helper. Mr. Bennett, homai taku wai a pūkoro. Kia ora. Oh, Mr. Bennett, homai taku raku raku. Kia ora. So there you have it. Homai te, give me the. Homai taku, give me my. I hope you had fun learning some Te Reo Māori today. If there's something specific that you would like to learn in Te Reo Māori, please feel free to email me and I will do another video lesson for you. Or I can send you an email, or I can set up a Google Doc. I'm easy. Ka kite anō.